Welcome! We're excited to have you here as we dive into the ins and outs of navigating Blackboard for your course. Today, we'll walk you through essential steps to make the most of this platform, from accessing resources to submitting assignments. We kindly request that you follow along with the video to fully grasp the concepts we'll be covering. So, let's get started on this journey to mastering Blackboard's features and ensuring a smooth and productive learning experience. Before we proceed, if you're not already on the Kaiser University Blackboard site, please navigate to kaiseruniversity.blackboard.com. Now, to log into Blackboard, utilize your student email as the username, and your student ID number will serve as the password. Remember, every 60 days, you'll be required to change your password. Should you encounter difficulties accessing Blackboard, consider changing your password through Microsoft 365. This step often proves effective in resolving login issues. Once you're logged in, you will see the institution page. This page includes links to resources including Office 365, the Student Portal, and the bookstore. Below the Helpful Resources link, you will find information about tutor.com, which offers tutoring assistance available 24/7. Each term, you will receive 5 hours to use at your convenience, and this is a free resource provided to you as a Kaiser student. Let's now focus on locating your current course, which you can find on the left side of the screen. Clicking on this will lead you to a page that displays your current courses. Keep in mind that if you're exploring this before classes have officially begun, your course might not be visible on this list. Usually, the course becomes accessible on Sunday evening before classes start or early on Monday morning. However, for the sake of this training, we're utilizing a simulated course called Student Orientation. This class is essentially a practice environment designed to help you familiarize yourself with the platform. Once you select this course, you'll be taken to the class overview page where you can explore and practice. You can find information about the course on the right side of the screen, along with your instructor's information. If you need to email your instructor, you can click on the envelope next to their name. From the course content page, you will have access to information about your instructor, including their office hours, along with the syllabus for the course. If you're taking an online course and your class has scheduled virtual meetings, you can access the meeting by clicking the Kaiser Live link. Often, these meetings will be recorded, so if you happen to miss a session, you can go back and watch the recording. Further down will be where you will access modules for each week's assignments. In your actual course, each module will be labeled as weeks. To help you keep track of your progress for each week, you can click on the buttons next to each assignment, which will show on the progress bar how much you've completed for that week. Now let's go into Module 3 to get some practice submitting discussions, assignments, and exams. Click on the link for the discussion board to read the requirements. The instructions will be at the top of the page. In your actual class, be sure to read them fully to ensure you get full credit for the submission. When you're ready to add your post, scroll down and click where it says Post a response to the discussion. Type or paste in your response and click Post. Feel free to pause the video now to practice posting to the discussion board. Submitting an assignment is similar to posting a discussion. However, instead of pasting your work into a thread, you're going to upload a file by clicking on the paperclip icon. Upon uploading the document, it will provide a preview below. After clicking Submit, you will get a confirmation that the assignment was successfully submitted. For exams, you might have to take a proctored or an unproctored test. When an exam is proctored, it will use Respondus Lockdown Browser. This is a software that will need to be installed on your computer. You can find more information about how to download the software in the Student Orientation course. But for now, let's practice by completing the Practice Test certification. After clicking on the link, click Start Attempt. Go ahead and take this time to complete the test. After completing the test, check out the gradebook, which can be found towards the top of the page. Along the top, you'll find different areas of the course, including announcements, discussions, and the gradebook. The gradebook will allow you to keep track of submitted assignments and any feedback from your instructors. Remember, clear communication with your instructors, regular checks of the gradebook, and timely submissions are key to your success in the online learning environment. On Monday, be sure to log into your scheduled course to complete the pretest, certification, and any introduction discussion posts. Upon completing those tasks, you will officially be an active Kaiser student. Additionally, if you're taking an online class, be sure to log in at least 3 times a week. If you encounter any issues or have questions along the way, don't hesitate to reach out to the support resources available to you. With practice, you'll find that using Blackboard becomes second nature, enhancing your educational journey. Happy learning!